In today's video, I'll show you how to configure Gmail on MikroTik. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open your Winbox. Okay, right here you'll need to go to tools and set the email. Okay, so my email settings are already set up here. So let me show you what these things are. First thing is the server address. The server address, you have to type the IP address. You cannot type the domain here. And this is the port, the email address. This is the email address again, and the password. Okay, so let's go to the Gmail, and so this is my email account, and here I have opened Gmail SMTP server IP address and port. So it's showing me smtp.gmail.com. If I enter this in the MikroTik, it will give me error. Apply? No, it won't accept it. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to have this IP address. So how I can do that? I will go to the CMD and type ping smtp@gmail.com. So it will give me the IP address against this domain name. So I'm using that IP address, and the other settings, I'm using port 587 that requires TLS, and my email address, and again my email address and the password. Okay, so let's test the send email feature first. Okay, so I'll need to type this information again over here. Just copy the address and the port number and the username and the password. Okay, and yes, check the TLS, and I'm going to send to same email address, and set the subject test MikroTik and test send email. Okay, let's check the log. Okay, log shows nothing, so let's go back to the Gmail and see. It says from me, this is the email address and this is the title. So that's it. These are easiest steps how you can configure your Gmail on MikroTik, and I will write down all these configuration in the description. You can find there. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and keep supporting. Bye bye.